In this video, you are going to learn how you can place a VPN on your cell phone for free. First, we are going to go our Play Store application and we are going to look for the next application called Tunnel Beer. Okay, Tunnel Beer. And really, this is quite and good, and we can use it on several devices, and has options for several countries. Hang on a second, meanwhile install and open. We are going to load an application. We go down and wait for to install. We are going to open it, and now what we are going to do is enter an email address which we have activate and password. Okay, in my case, log in with an existing account, my account. Then we will be see that the location, this is my location here, and where we are appears, and a small map will also appears. We will select on the map which country, in my case United States. Continue. Okay, and we will touch that hole and it will appear. If the beer is migrating, when the beer appears on the other side, you are already connected to the VPN of the country you select. That is all, guys. It's pretty simple. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget, thank us and share.